Hi guys, this is the HardReset.Info YouTube channel and I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant on Android 14. So we should first launch Google application and after that tap on the right upper corner, then go to the settings, tap to Google Assistant section and then scroll down to the general options. Once again. So settings, Google Assistant, and we should scroll down to the general. Now we could see here Google Assistant switcher. Tap once on the switcher to turn off the Google Assistant and confirm your action by tap to turn off button, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.